Okay, Beatrice, so back in November on the paper one you scored 59, so you were only a couple of marks away from what you would have needed for a grade C. So let's see now, it's 2 months on, how much of that knowledge you've managed to hang on to and how much has leaked away. That's correct. So you have two numbers there to multiply to times from the times table that come to 63, and it's 7 nines. And 60 divided by 4 are what you're looking for there. So you've only got 2 marks there. That one's correct. This one is, it's not 17, there is 16 there. So you've miscounted those. Those are right, well done. So 6 for that first page. That's good. That's excellent. 4 marks for that. 250 and 45 for there. 8 for the page. That's good. That's good. Now here, what you need to be doing is finding out first of all what 1/5 of 500 is, and you do that by doing 500 divided by 5. And then 25% of 500, you work that out. Well, 25% is the same as a quarter, so you divide it by 4. Work out what the two totals are and compare them. So take a look how I've done that on the video clip. These are wrong with you. 0.5 is a half, which is 50%. A quarter is 25%. And with this, you need to put them back in the form you were given them when you're writing them in the right order. So I can't give you any marks for that question. 4 lots of 72 pence is £2.88, not £4.88, but once you take that away from £10, your change is correct. So you're going to get 1 out of the 2 marks for that. So 2, 4, 5 marks for that question. 1.5 meters is good. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 estimates there. It's a bit big. You're probably better off using a ruler. And what I would have liked to have seen was 4 times 1.5 equals 6 meters, so that I can see the method that you're using. Your method, like I said, is a little bit out because there's actually 5 that fit in there. So you're going to lose 1 mark because your answer's a little bit not accurate enough. Okay, with this one, the mistake that you've made is that 49, you know the median is the middle value, and on that list 49 is the middle. However, the data needs to be put in order before you find the middle value, and you haven't ordered the list, so I can't give you the marks for that, but your range is correct. Well done. R is right, Q is right. Now P, the probability of the number on the card being a 4, you can see that 3 out of the 6 cards are 4s. Well, 3 out of 6 is a half, so P should be there. So you lose 1 of the marks there. So total for that page, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 is correct, and 215 is also correct. Well done. What have we got here? So 90 plus 24, it's 29. You've copied it down wrong. Your method is right. Take a look for this one at my solution on the video clip, see if you can make sense of it. Total for the page, 7. Excuse me. They add up to 300. You take 300 away from 360, and that gives you that angle there. That's not the angle they want you to find. The angle they want you to find is outside that, so you need to take that away from 180. So your first part of the method is right, but then you go astray after that. That one's good, well done. 1, 2, okie dokie dokie dokie, you've gone wrong here. So let's have a look. 372 times 34, 8, 8 down, carry 2, 12, that should be a 4. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 7 4s are 28, 8 down, carry 2, 3 4s are 12, add the 2, make 14. Then you add your 0, which is correct, and then you're going to do 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 1 down, carry 2, 3 3s are 9, and 2 is 11. Yes, that's your only mistake. So you're going to lose 1 mark for that. With this one, the decimal point doesn't move. You're just you're rounding the number off. So 2 decimal places are the 2 digits following the decimal point, the 0, 3. So all you need to do is to look at the next digit along. If it's 5 or bigger, that rounds up to 4, so it would be 0.04. If it was less than 5, it would stay as 0.03. And the same thing here, the 3 decimal places are the 8, 8, 7. You've moved the decimal point again. 8 times 9 is 72. Well done. And this is good. You're the first person in the class to get this question right. So well done for you to that. 2, 4, 6, 8 for that page. 17 is right. 54 isn't. The cube numbers are what you get if you multiply a number by itself 3 times. So 1 times 1 times 1. 1 is a cube number. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 8 is a cube number. 3 times 3 times 3 is 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 is a cube number. Here 1.18 is right, but you've lost the decimal point in your answer. This is wrong. 3 7s are 21, and then because there are 2 numbers after the decimal point there would be 2 numbers after the decimal point in your answer. So 0.21 should be your answer there. Three, 6, 3, 9. Good. And here we've got 100 degrees, 140, 80, 40. Well done. Again, you're the first person in the class to get that question right. 7 marks. Because the numbers should be equal to 1.0, and in their results the numbers equal perfect. 3x plus 49, it shouldn't equal. That should be a plus there. You're adding all those numbers together, and then you should know that they equal 360. Take a look at how I've written that on my video. 1 for the page. So it's not 10x, because in order to move that you've got to take 3x off both sides, not add it on. 16 take away 4 is correct. So that would be right if that answer, if that value of 10 was right, which it isn't. So 1 mark for the bit that you've done right. Here you have to multiply out the bracket, which you've done correctly. Then you've got the 7x, so that one is correct. Well done. So you've got your 4 marks for that one. 6r plus 2 plus 5r is correct, but then you can simplify that, because 6r add 5r is 11r plus 2. Only 1 mark for that question, unfortunately. And this one you have made the classic mistake. When you multiply that bracket out, you've got a minus times a minus, which makes a plus. So the area of the circle is that. Well done. What you now have to do is work out the area of the rectangles, and then take the area of the circle away from it. So there's still a lot of work needed to do on that one. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is correct, but that you can't do. What you have to do here is, first of all, if you work out what's on top, so it's 6 2s are 12 followed by 3 zeros, and then underneath you have 0.3. Now, it's not nice to have that decimal number underneath, so if I multiply that by 10, that becomes 3. But if I multiply that by 10, I've also got to multiply the top number by 10 as well, otherwise the value of the sum changes. So it simplifies to 12 followed by 4 zeros divided by 3, which is then an easier sum for you to work out. So you've made the first step right, but then you've gone wrong from there. Okay, so let's see how you did. 6, 14, 19, 25, 32, 40, 47, 48, 56, 57. Just check that. 6, 14, 19, 25, 32, 40, 47, 48, 56, 57. So that's not bad. I mean, it's a couple of marks down on where you were in November, but you know, you haven't leaked much knowledge, so that's really encouraging. You're still a way off a C. I'm saying you need 65 to be guaranteed a C, so you're 8 marks off a C. So C minus 8 is what you've got, but I'm sure when you go through that you easily find those 8 marks. I mean, there's 2 marks there straight away that you would have got right. So that's really encouraging, Beatrice. Well done.